Alright, quick video. I am running my Icybreeze. Take a look in here. I got these big, giant ice blocks. That's gonna make this stuff last forever. Or not forever, but for a while. What I'm doing here camping, I got my 12-volt freezer. So I am freezing these. I think they're like 8-pound blocks. I got 5 of them. So I constantly keep those frozen. I can get some ice, but this way I'm not spending a ton of money on ice, and ice melts really quick. The thicker you have the chunks, the longer it's going to take to melt. Icybreeze, man. I've had this thing for a few years, running good. I know it needs to be cleaned, but it's still running.